Hey guys, Dalton over at CZP. I just wanted to basically kind of bring you up to speed on like what's going on over here. Pretty much our entire building is being renovated. We're gonna have more space for shipping, for our programmers, our web development, pretty much everyone. But basically we're gonna have a front storage space or showroom for cars. So when you come here, you don't have to go like behind the scenes and see our mess of what's back here. We'll pretty much have cars up there for you to see, as well as redo our front areas, so it's a little bit more friendly for us and you guys. Outside of that, like we don't want to take away from like orders or customer service or anything like that, so we're kind of stepping back from like the projects and doing like YouTube updates. So if you don't see any updates or anything, this is kind of the reason why. Me and Nick are actually going to be in charge and doing our best on social media to get back to you guys and give you as much feedback and responses as possible. But realistically, like where we are now, that we've got the renovations going on. Nick just finished and put his car back together, so this car is running and driving. If you haven't seen, he posted a bunch of stuff on Instagram. He was super excited about it. We're super excited about it because this car hasn't run in a long time. We've got the Q60 in the shop. It's basically just here for more product development. We're going to be coming out with some more stuff for the car. Like we're finalizing stuff for the manual swap, so then we can offer a complete kit for that. We're still kind of finalizing everything for that. We have kind of started to do like interior kits, stuff like that. So basically the problem with that is all that stuff is special order, so it's several months before we see it, so don't really have anything set in stone for you there. And then last car that we have that's been kind of important and you guys seem to like is the 350Z. That car is pretty much almost entirely done at this point in terms of like engine running performance wise. We've kind of been doing some testing and stuff with R35 coil packs, so stay tuned for that because eventually we'll have some more updates on that. So that's kind of the update for most of our cars. GTR, we aren't really doing anything for a little while. S15 should come up in the future. We don't really have a set date for any of that stuff, so S15's on the back burner, GTR's back burner for a long time. So that's pretty much the car update. But yeah, the pretty much the whole premise of this video is just kind of keep you guys up to speed, let you guys know that we're taking a step back. And as soon as we're done and we're back up, then we'll be taking back on dyno tuning. We'll be doing more video, media updates and stuff like that. So we'll keep you guys up to speed as much as we can in the meantime. But we're not stopping like YouTube. We're not stopping any of that. We're just kind of taking a small short break until we have everything back together and in one piece again.